Your client has sent you a screen recording or just a voice recording and is asking you to convert that recording to a YouTube video. Or maybe you have recorded your screen, your phone screen, and want to turn it into a properly edited video. How will you do it? This is an example.
In this video, you'll learn how to get new updates on WhatsApp.
So in this example, Teacher Onga recorded the screen, right, and told me to edit it. How do I do it? This is the final video that I did.
In this video, you'll learn how to get new updates on WhatsApp.
Yes, I will teach you how to do it in the masterclass. Yes, in the tutorial, you will learn how to cover sensitive parts in the video just like this one. You see, the numbers here has been covered on the other side. Also, I will teach you how to put the video in a font layout, make it very nice, just like this. I'll also teach you how to add text animations, how to introduce the video, and then how to create double screens and more. Register now and meet me in the masterclass. If you want to see the full video after the editing, check the link in the description below. See you soon.